Netflix is a big platform. Film Companion is a big company, and Take 10 was also a huge initiative. So the fact that I made it to the top 10 meant a lot to me. म्हजो self confidence, self esteem बी बरी boost झाली. पण raising funds for कोंकणी short film can be difficult. And here was an opportunity where they were telling me ki make your film, make it the way you want it, and make it in Konkani म्हणून. So I don't think I could have asked for more. The fact that एक कोंकणी short film Netflix सारख्या प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर पावता means a lot to me personally. ह्या प्रोग्रामाच्या थ्रू आमचे जायते वर्कशॉप्सूय जाले with इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट्स आनी प्रोफेशनल्स वेटरन्स. आणि आमकां नीरज घैवन, शकून बत्रा, कबीर खान, जय ओझा, अमृता महल, तिस्का चोप्रा, संयुक्ता काझा, विशाल ददलानी सारख्या म्हणजे खूप रिस्पेक्टेड आणि रेप्युटेड प्रोफेशनल्सां कडल्यान शिकपाची संद मेळ्ळी. आणि आय थिंक एवरीथींग दॅट आय लर्नड म्हजे बरोबर अशें आयुश्यभर उरतलें.